Ever wondered how to complete identity verification KYC on Binance? In this guide, we'll explain the process of verifying your identity on Binance, a crucial step for accessing higher withdrawal limits, ensuring security, and complying with regulatory requirements. KYC Know Your Customer is a process that verifies the identity of users to ensure that they are not involved in illicit activities, such as money laundering or fraud. Binance requires KYC verification for certain features like higher withdrawal limits and accessing certain services, making it important for all users who wish to fully engage with the platform. To get started with the KYC process on Binance, first log into your Binance account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a Binance account by signing up with your email address. After logging in, navigate to the Account section by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the account settings, look for the Identification tab under the Security section. Click on this tab to start the identity verification process. You'll see the different levels of verification, such as Basic Verification and Advanced Verification. Basic Verification may only require an email, while Advanced Verification requires you to upload additional documents, such as a government-issued ID. For Advanced Verification, select Verify under the Advanced section, and Binance will prompt you to upload the types of documents: a photo ID passport, national ID card, or driver's license, and a selfie. The photo ID is used to verify your identity, and the selfie is to prove that the ID belongs to you. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload clear images of both documents. Ensure that all information is legible and that the images meet the platform's requirements for quality and size. After uploading your documents, Binance may also ask for proof of address, such as a utility bill or a bank statement. This is an additional step to verify your residential address. Be sure to provide the required documents that are no older than 3 months. Once you've submitted all the required information, Binance will review your documents. The KYC verification process typically takes a few minutes to a few hours, but it can sometimes take up to 2 to 3 business days depending on the volume of applications. You will receive a notification via email or in your Binance account once your verification is complete. In conclusion, completing identity verification KYC on Binance is a simple process but crucial for accessing full functionality on the platform. By following the steps outlined above, you can quickly complete KYC and start trading, withdrawing, and using all the features that Binance has to offer. Remember to provide clear and accurate documentation to avoid delays in the verification process.